How to add someone to an email thread in Gmail. This tutorial shows you how to bring a new person into an existing conversation. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. From there, open the specific email thread you want to add someone to. After that, tap Reply or Reply All, depending on who's already in the thread. At this point, tap the down arrow or expand icon next to the recipient field, since the person you want to add usually goes in CC rather than the main To field. Following this, tap Add CC/BCC if it's not already expanded. From here, type in the email address of the person you want to add. At this stage, tap on it once it appears or press Enter to confirm. Following this, add a quick note in the message letting the new person know they've been added and giving them context on the conversation. From here, tap Send. Once sent, that person will receive the thread with the full conversation history included, and future replies will keep them included as long as they stay in the CC or To field. That's how you add someone to an email thread in Gmail. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!